Nsem-Pii TV nie.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, chairman of the Peace Council. Yes, now I just say Obagana Hanumwa. I say the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, one the president. And the vice president is also the commander-in-chief for the Ghana Police Service. And our chairman for Police Council. Now, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, I am NDC. Yes, unprecedented in Ghana's history and in sub-Saharan African history. Say we a police service and as a police force. AUSU choppers, yes. Friend helicopters, no. We a police for a deploy be a day a year juma a bobine a wo my bimu a BC da Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia am a BSc. Now you be video no edia chiremo helicopters and choppers and mono chiao. I am branding with Ghana flags. I am a test run. Bosumie wumia ebe lande ewo Ghana hanumwa. It is going to be given to Dr. George Akufu Dampare and his able men. Na said yebeya election 2024. Kofo bisi e do or da e munga muno. Omode ebe bo Ghana for ban and then kophobia omode omatu omunum too. So when it comes to unleashing violence, they are the best. These are the words of John Omani Mahama. And then kokonyi do ho e video bia betuja. See being ketia who NDC for be more or show mukutupa. Say election abaye babe to the making sure say to trust them on bedibi omuni bone. Ebekaya sa the October 2020 elections omo ya announcement so supporters and rushing go Techima South coalition center mkoye basamasaye. Unfortunately police for two gunshots warning shots ebi kokubo obi nipa be mi nsabi emo mohwero mokran kwen. This is the novel idea Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana Police Service going in 2024 eba be Ghana for mobile. Na niji seme wo mu say Ghana about to nkwa na eba be. Also ya need to across our borders to the west, to the left, to the right, up north. Ku ahodwa isisi wo hono terrorist groups ahodwa omo atamutuko omo pekwan bi so abawuro man Ghana mu ababedi Ghana bone bebre na yo man said they are going to use the 2024 December 7 election as an avenue to cross carpet into Ghana and cause mayhem. Na sa helicopters here Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia wa procure the Ghana Police Service no, it is going to go a long way in keeping peace and order in the borders of Ghana and even beyond. Now, same way by and most of Ghana Police Service personnel paying for woman edo omanu se mu tuja say no kre abaya ba abayan ko abaya ba abaya ko na Dr. Bawumia aben die especially the vice president niema omuni ni shia edi hu komotwe du krata so Mahmoud Bawumia ahwa ma ni nyina bem ohe ultra modern police quarters a usimo omwe won crime obi ni oman hene and one pictures videos ba ye omani je bo aban so omo se aban bia ma enwini police fo ho se de Mahmoud Bawumia na da nkofo do aban ya ba omadwene omo ho sada improvement in their conditions of service omo dia ba and vehicles ahodo omo todi amo cancer ahodo pickups ahodo petrol cars ahodo forensic unit digitalized equipment Mahmoud Bawumia hwame dia komo just say officers of the Ghana Police Service say they have never witnessed such an investment in beefing up the Ghana Police Service as they have witnessed in this NPP administration. And said we are for the report to the amount numerous niama abayi atop ediabwa Ghana Police Service. And same ye in more day. When the helicopters video here. You can once me and after know the various infrastructure development equipment Nana Aradango Kufodo Abayi Mahmoud Bawumia as chairman of the Police Council will procure Ama Ghana Police Service.
Meko me Japan de wa ha
Now, or the more at but women are responsible for the ABC woman.
Sounding a warning to the MPP, we're going to match them boot for boot. We respect the constitution of this country. And NDC is a democratic party. And that's why we abide by the rules of the constitution. But the same constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's constitution. And we have a right to resist you. And so we'll get a full briefing of what happened. But I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence.
Do you know what is happening? I didn't think that NDC leaders in here. I will go straight to police station. Nobody and penny for me there. Almost percent crop for man go wunti. Almost family across to police station. I can't to see crime. I don't know my advice on my mama family across. I didn't think that NDC in penny for. Echo police station. No musu things kwaso. Ade to eba. Woman na kadane ya komedi. Ade ti no mu things kwaso ni bi. Na woman dey also go police station. Akosia police in penifo. Woman bi ba ye de na kwato asem awie. Ade ti ya ni obetimi ayam onipa no. Ene say den. Why ba? It's hard time one. As I say media me full say you show na NDC penifo na wo mo ba ono wo mo nim hu bidia ene na edi na bet yeah say NDC penibia police station ne eko police headquarters so mo ko pleadia me say wo mo nim hu bi ene na edi na bet they need also to be arrested because they edi na bet adentia say Dr Bawumia mama so on castle be street so eti anu de wayi ni ho afrim eti wo a see street so no say me amutimi kam hu bo mo ma mo be see street so no e your lawful anu ti no mo ma tirem wo mo be tirem hwe wo ba say e ba ye we ani esi over so powerful catch us so man be your governor boa eno na e ba no. It is for so powerful. Let the police arrest for so powerful. When the for so powerful get to the station, the police must arrest him. He is part of it. Why not? For so powerful supposed to be arrested at the police station when he finds himself there. What are they telling us? Why not? Yaya din kakra. Yaya hun kakra. Hey, nyamre. Why by them? Now, want to know assembly oka. Or see you be by any. You be by any. No more we are Kitua. Why by way of Beckers? Why by Hasama? Eh, ya. Say a 2 mem. No constitution as I said. About one of Mokotono, Moko over votia, Mamunintum. Why by Mokotraba? Now I voted without biometric verification. Mamunintum and one ram and Razamayanintum. Superior Court of Adjudicator. Ekotrasi. Ema dia emrase yanyintum na Electoral Commissioner then. Afarijan beka say no verification, no vote no. Anu gwa kadi yo ne beba no. Yenya justice atuguba. Yenya justice adinra. Yenya justice body bafuboni. Yenya justice akotobafu. Ama muti beka say they have dismissed all the claims of overvoting. Amani say I ba mani yeden yenya sa justice am catch my Ghana for say even though say niam we nya no a breach of law but yan the idea be ya to agu akufu ado ankasa wa more finance I ba wa more finance yo it is say ot Ghana ha na say odi ya to aba mo walusu eti odi ya wo kan so man say ya John Dramani mama stop the violence before the violence stop you. Why ba? Yes, tell John Dramani mama to stop the violence before the violence stop him. because who are the baby akujao? Why ba? Who are the baby akujao? Say John Dramani Mahama share my violence and stop violence the best stop Mahama. Sana kwakwe. So the earlier he put a stop to this, the better.
Okay.
The earlier he put a stop to it, the better. Because already some SC of my Ghana, whatever area, I don't do send your hero settlements about Sukana. I say, justify your claim of victory with your pink sheet.
Simple.
Wait, I don't know. Oh, dear father, go on. Oh, yeah, now Ubiti a Kufadu to Ayabahu. Ubiti ni Tay Ayabahu. Now, election by Coupe, Yakoma MP Serini and the Ope. Papia. Yakoto Abama who MP Serini and the Ope. A Kufadu Rini and the Anya. Hey, don't money, Mama. We are aware of what you said before the elections. I'll be very grateful for you to make sure that there is peace. Because John Dramani Mama, whether you like it or not, Ghanaians are going to enjoy peace. 2012 say 2020 why ba? Say Ghana ni be 2012, Ghana ni be 2020. But if John Dramani Mahama thinks that he can do anything otherwise, I'm afraid. I am afraid. But the earlier Obeji Sao Buano and Obabuano. Every say a Biasida. I'm on your beginning some like territory, Krana, Anyajuma. Whatever your other 6 presidential candidates Omudi Ababa said.
Yeah.
Also use the judicial means to address your electoral grievances. It's equal to near. John Dramani Mahama, what is preventing him from going to court? Because on the basis, you know.
So court in Yamkonoka. Ebi near Kali or the Boko court.
Oh, so where I can hear?
Because at the court, if you allege, you got to prove it.
That's it.
And Tiniema, the Boko Dia dance, say, Massama, David Dam, when Nina Swin, Ebia, Unisa evidence, Nibi.
Nani,
Be the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.